that is the genius of Heidi, when she put together that structure that is aligned with true nature as the nature outside is, which is the harmony and balance will we bring into it through that cycle. I felt very much at ease, understood, very clearly understood. It spoke to the depth of me, like she could see through me. I don't just believe the words. I know where they are coming. They are coming from a good place. And that is the very important part. It's not the words Heidi uses, it's who she's being.